Sioux Model 622N valve grinder that seems to work. It's missing, you know, some brackets and stuff that go right here to hold the valves. It's got one. It's got that one bracket right there. It's the only bracket I have that fits there. Other than that, it seems to work. The belts are almost worn out, so you have to get new belts all the way around. This machine's like, I don't know, 50 years old, maybe even older than that, World War II, something like that. So it's an antique. Chuck works pretty good. It's really easy to spin. You can open up and close. And then I have this Allen wrench here that came with it, that one end of it fits in here. I don't know where the other end fits. This is, like, I guess for adjusting the length of the valve in the inside the chuck from the backside. I don't know what it does. I don't really know anything about valve grinding machines. But it fits that, and this lever here brings it in and away from the grinding stone. That seems to work. It's just the in and out part, and then you got the crank right here that moves it in and out. Moves the grinding wheel back and forth, I guess. That's a better way to say it. I can't back this camera up anymore and crank it, but maybe you can see it moving. Moves nice and easy. Heavy duty, like a piece of machining equipment. Okay. And over here it's got a little pump for the cutting fluid or whatever, and I put 2.5 quarts of automatic transmission fluid in there. That's what I read online to do if you don't have anything else, so just turn it on. Where the sump pump's at. Nothing's coming out of it yet, right? Nothing coming out. Over here. Alright. It's pumping. It takes 2.5 quarts to fill it up enough to where it doesn't dry the sump out and run out of fluid. But it'll just pump, as far as I can tell, forever with 2.5 quarts in there. 1.5 quarts, it'll run it dry after a while. So if you can get a hold of whatever kind of bracket goes right here to hold the valves, I think you have the whole machine. I don't know. Working. I can tell you it needs new belts. You have to get new belts. I'm lucky they're holding together long enough to make this video, but they're falling apart, and I know they'll break on you, so you have to get new belts. Let's take the cover off here, see what it looks like. these 3 belts right here, and then there's one more over there cranking on the chuck thingy-majigger that holds the valve. I think there's 4 total belts. All of them should be replaced. They're cracking and falling apart. They can still work. Sounds nice. Really, it sounds good. It's an old machine. Super heavy. I can't nail this. I don't know, it's 150 pounds. Maybe it's 200 pounds. I don't think it's 200. It's 150 pounds. It might be 200 pounds. Built like they used to build them. And I think you can get these belts, so this might be a nice piece of equipment for the right guy, and it's cheap. Try to get a down low view of this side here. Okay, Sioux model 622N valve grinder, missing whatever kind of parts clamped down around the valve right there, but otherwise it looks pretty complete, except for the stand. I don't have that.